Hello everyone! The next video in our series is using the clear highlights, the fact finder, and the vocabulary list. So I'm going to go back to an article that I already have, and I've actually already highlighted this. And if I want to start fresh, what I can do is highlight the text that I've done already, and I can click on the clear highlights button, which is the brush that goes right after the highlights, and you can see that now all of my highlights are gone. So it's really nice to kind of quickly change something or clear something out that I don't need anymore. The next option that I want to show you is something called the fact finder. So what I can do is I can highlight a phrase or any information, and if I click on fact finder, it actually automatically Googles that phrase for me. So if I want to get some more information, I can actually do that, and I have it right here to reference. So it's a really nice quick way to kind of supplement any reading that you might want to do. The next thing that I want to show you is something called the vocabulary lookup. So what I can do here is I'm going to use my highlighters and highlight some information, some vocabulary words, that would be important in this passage. So once I have these words highlighted, I'm going to click on the vocabulary lookup button. Now once again, because this application is hooked up to a Google account, I have access directly to my Google Drive. So what the toolbar does is it automatically takes the words that I have selected and it creates a vocabulary chart for me. So what I have in my first column is I have my word, I have the meaning that is embedded within the dictionary that is for Read and Write for Google, the symbol if it's available, and I can now add any notes. I can make my notes specific to the article that I'm reading, or I can just make them about the specific word. And once again, because I'm in Google Docs, I can use the reading tool.
All the people that live in a certain area.
And I can listen to any of the text that I have. And that is how to use the clear highlights, fact finder, and vocabulary list in Read and Write for Google.